Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm attempting another cake. I didn't want it to be too easy, but I didn't want it to be too difficult that I couldn't do. Kind of met in the middle. We got the two tiers, square, we got Spider-Man, we got a web or two. We're just gonna go straight to decorating. What I'm going to do first are these little spider webs. I'm pretty sure they use chocolate for these. I got a little tip from my sister to use a silicone mat. I have my single burner here and I'm gonna put my pot on there. I don't know if it's gonna get any liquidier than that, so I'm just gonna cross my fingers. So hot. How do people do this? Maybe I should have waited. I don't even know. Okay. Oh, I got an idea. That's what we're working with so far. Guys, this is how hot it is. I don't know if I'm burning myself. I did a few just in case one breaks. I didn't finish one because it was just coming out too bad. So this one's not looking too hot. I know they look a little bit crazy, but I put extra butter on the pan to make sure they don't stick to the pan. I'm gonna get ready to carve them. I don't have a carving knife. I know. Taste test. So good. Woo! Oh. We got a bottom building and then we got like the rooftop or something. So I think I'm going to, all right, I'm gonna, no. The edges are crusty. I'm gonna cover it in fondant, so I think you have to cover it in cream cheese, or not cream cheese, frosting, like a crumb coat, so that it sticks. So that's what I'm gonna do. This piping bag is taking too long, so I forgot to put the frosting in between the layers. I don't know if I could sneak it in. Perfect. Ooh, it's a little crooked. It's glued down. Shoot. Next, I'm gonna do the fondant work as a little bit of brickwork on it. Black for the door, gray for the building, black for the rooftops. Oh my God. Guys, I think we got the perfect gray. Shouldn't have done that. Black rooftop on top, and you're not even gonna see the hole I just made. What do you guys think so far? We're gonna have to hide something there. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna maybe an extra spider web. I finished the floor. I finished the rooftops. Now I'm gonna make the texture of the brick. I did not think this through. Meanwhile, I think about how I'm going to make the markings of brick on this building. I'm going to make the stairs and I'm going to make the trim that I forgot to make. Oh God. I have some paintbrushes that I've never used. I'm going to use the skinniest one, dip it into the black gel food coloring and just paint the brick on. Hopefully it comes out well. I think it's falling. I'm not entirely sure. I did the brick texture. I did the little lines right here so you can't see the cracks at the end of the cake. And then I'm gonna add the door. My camera is gonna die. I gotta hurry up. So I finished the blue and the red for Spider-Man and his eyes. So I had the AC off for most of the time and the heat was working against me. My fondant was getting too soft to work with. So hopefully we can fix Mr. Spider-Man because he's already kind of hardened on the cake a little bit. So we're kind of stuck with what I've already made. I'm gonna make his eyes. Now I understand when people say their hands are shaking when they're decorating a cake. Guys, these are looking good. This one looks the best. Let's cover that black window. That doesn't look so cute. Guys, all right, that's pretty much it for my Spider-Man cake. We have about 4 spider webs everywhere. We got the big giant one in the front. We got the yellow windows. And of course, we have Mr. Spider-Man. He was definitely hard to make. The building is falling. Spider-Man is holding on tight. That's why he looks like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any other cake ideas, feel free to leave them down in the comments, or you can message me on Instagram. I have my Instagram handle down there too. Subscribe if you want to see me attempt any more of these cakes, or if you want to see me attempt to cook any dishes. Thumbs up this video if you liked it. Thank you guys a million times for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!